everyone, Shraddha here. So whoever is facing issues related to WPS refund, so I'm just sharing all the steps that you can follow. Make sure that if you are say raising a complaint to get your refund through this link, so make sure that you need to check that are you log in or sign in from the right WPS account. Okay, so for this you can see right hand side top corner there is 3 lines. Click there. Okay, and downside just next to logged you can see my DP. So through this you can just understand that have you logged in with the right mail ID or not, and if you have not logged in with the right mail ID, then make sure to logged in with the right mail ID. Okay, and once it is done, then only you can apply for this process. Okay, select a product, select a feedback category and all these things. Make sure this step is very important. Whoever is facing issues like when you are trying to click on this link and fill all the details, so they are saying that you are not signed in. So in order to resolve the sign in issue for WPS refund, please make sure that click on right hand side top corner 3 lines. Click there. Downside you can see just next to log. You can just understand through your DP that whether you have logged in through the right mail account or not, and if not, then you need to logged in through the right mail account. Okay, once done, just cut that window and you can just come there, just fill all the details. And once you are done with this, make sure to drop a mail at officesupport@wps.com. I think this is the or else I'll just put it in the see. Okay, it will be there in my, let me check, office. Okay, this is the mail ID. Okay, that you need to use. So don't write this in the describe the problem. I'm just sharing the mail ID. For describe the problem, you need to write that hi team, I need to get my refund back for WPS. This app is not at all useful for me, and I am a student. You can see something like this money is very important for me, please refund my amount as soon as possible, or something like this. Okay, you can also add 1 or 2 lines more, and you need to send this mail to this mail ID officesupport@wps.com. okay, and while filling this detail you need to write here also the same thing. Describe the problem that you have you took the like accidentally amount got deducted for your subscription. Now you don't want to use it anymore, so you are looking for a refund. Please refund my money as soon as possible. This money is very important for me. You can just write something like this. Okay, and then you can just write here the right mail ID. Okay, here you can say upload an attachment related to the transaction that they deducted from your account. Okay, and here you can see enter the version number. I have already told you, just go to WPS app and left hand side top corner there would be an icon. Click there, then go to about of the app, then from there you can just see the say version of it. Select a feedback category. You need to go for refund. Downside. Okay, when you click there, so bottom side you can see the refund process, that you can select a product. You can need to select whether you are doing it from iOS or maybe for like Windows or Android or Linux, just like Windows operator there is Linux too. So you need to select the right say product. Okay, product details. Once done, just send it, press the send button, and make sure that you are doing both things, sending a mail to officesupport@wps.com, and also you are doing this. Okay, and please make sure that please don't worry about your refund for WPS. You will be getting it for sure. Okay, once you are doing it all, so you need to wait for around 24 hours, and if it is Saturday or Sunday, so they used to take 42 to 72 hours also. But once they will see it, they'll reply it for your mail for sure. And if you are doing it on Monday or Tuesday, then you can expect your money to be back within 24 hours, or even maybe once they will reply for your mail, then you will be getting your money within 1 to 2 hours for sure. There is no doubt that you are not at all going to get a WPS amount or something. You just need to follow all the steps that I have told you. Okay, just follow all the steps, do it all. And whoever is facing this WPS issue, please make sure to follow all the steps. You will get it for sure. Okay, and in case of any problem, you can just get in touch with me, and yeah, I'll just resolve. Though I am also getting once you'll get in touch with me, I am going to repeat the same steps just that whatever steps you are doing, it is you are doing it thoroughly. Okay, so there is nothing like you have not left anything, any field without finishing it or something. You just need to finish it all. Write a mail to them saying that please refund my money, I'm not going to use this subscription, this money is very important for me. Like this kind of story you can just make for 2 or 4 lines. Okay, so yeah, just wanted to talk about this. I hope that this video is going to be helpful for many of like users who are going to watch this video. And yeah, please consider subscribing for my channel. So yeah, just stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.